And here's what we're tracking over the next few days. A chance of rain outside tomorrow for some of us, mainly south of Stevens Point. Those across central and northern Wisconsin are expected to remain dry, and even those that are expected to see rainfall aren't really looking at too much. Significant warm weather out this week. We are looking at temperatures 10, 15, 20 degrees warmer than average for this time of year. And then more rain chances later this week, maybe even seeing our first few isolated thunderstorms of the late winter to early spring season. Let's take a look outside here. This is our auto select camera in Stevens Point. Looks like we have gray skies moving in as we track through the evening. 40 degrees right now in Stevens Point with gray skies, as we can see. A southwest wind of 8 miles per hour. We take a look at the high temperatures across the Midwest. Wisconsin mainly sitting in the 30s outside today. A touch above normal for this time of year, but you really start to see the warmer air off to our west, where we're seeing 40s, 50s, and that's what's headed our way as we track forward. Take a look at our temperature tracker. 45, the expected high temperature outside tomorrow. That bumps up to 50 out on Wednesday. So feeling like spring. These are temperatures we see towards the end of March as we move towards April. 45 again on Thursday, 49 on Friday, 50 on Saturday, spiking up to 55 on Sunday, and 56 to start next week. So overall, well above average. Once again, it's going to be feeling like spring. The Climate Prediction Center does expect the temperatures to crash a little bit towards next week. So it looks like we have a warm week this week, then maybe a little bit of a cooler one as we step into our second week of March. Our clouds and radar view not showing much outside for right now. We are definitely seeing some cloud cover starting to sweep in as we track into the overnight hours. Off to the west, we are tracking some showers as well, but now they will take some time to reach Wisconsin, but it'll likely bring us at least a little bit of light rain for parts of the area, as we mentioned, mainly south of Stevens Point. But you'll notice the numbers looking pretty low. So we're talking about sprinkles, maybe a few isolated flurries, not really much in terms of downpours. That might be coming later this week, though. Take a look at some of the numbers towards Friday and Saturday, where we're looking at a decent chance of maybe an inch or so of rainfall. That would be some heavier downpours at times. I wouldn't be surprised to see an isolated thunderstorm. Now we take a look here at our future track forecast. You can see the cloud cover continues to push in as we enter the overnight hours tonight. Here's 3 a.m. early on Tuesday, a couple of showers. You can see that mixing layer as well, so maybe some light sleet. But it shouldn't stick around for long, and you'll notice really not too much out there. Most of Tuesday afternoon looking dry, maybe a few peaks of sunshine, and cloudy skies for most of Wednesday morning before turning to sun. Our overnight forecast tonight, 27 degrees, light southerly winds. Daytime high tomorrow about 45. As we mentioned, a large temperature jump as we track throughout this week. South to southwest winds about 5 miles per hour. Here's a step through the week. We're looking at 50 degrees on Wednesday. They could also start with some morning fog, so a grayer start to the day, but sunshine for Wednesday afternoon. Thursday has a chance of rain. Highest chance of rain, though, on Friday.